me each day. The way you talk makes the breeze come, so I could smile again. Living always, then you come to me, keeping me safe and comfy. I could left all of my stress to you, and that's what you are to me. Tonight I feel so cold by looking at you, and it's 29:4. I hear your voice by ears, and I still can't believe I did see you in faraway place. You write your words and pour it to me in my weak self. Your paper's filled with emotions of you, and so you let me know. The age of 4 you got without pals, I can only hope you'll stick with them. With all the love you receive and sparklings around you, still near you. And all the moments you get passed through will leave you with beautiful light. When I can finally see you soon again, I hope my name is said. I love how warm your existence is. You bring me to the breeze. I love your autumn view. Whatever I see you, I'm so in love with you. You just hug me and give me warmth. It could took away my pain, and you let me feel so safe and peacefully calm. Dark run away, season cold again when you are around. Your voice is near, right beside my ears, and I'll fall asleep again into your touch and soothe my heart to glow.